thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fairfield County, Licking County, until 7:30 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pawtascalaw, moving east at 65 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Newark, Reynoldsburg, Pickerington, Heath, Granville, Pawtascalaw, Hebron, Utica, Hanover, Granville South, Martin, Beechwood Trail, Summit Station, Etna, New Albany, Jersey, Kirkersville, Alexandria, St. Louisville and Purity. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 113 and 127.
The severe thunderstorm warning